Darling. Stay with me. Hey guys, I'm Jerusha and you're watching Jerusha Couture TV, darling. I am channeling Elizabeth Taylor today. I know. Stay with me. There's a reason. There is a reason. As you can see by the title, today's video is my Cartier unboxing. My first ever Cartier piece. And if you watched my last vlog, which was of my mum and I going to the Cartier exhibition down in Canberra, thank you so much for watching it. It has just added to the obsession of this divine jewelry dynasty that is just phenomenal. I know if you follow social media or you follow the luxe community, everyone has a piece of Cartier and go on about it or show it or unbox it or whatnot. And as I said in that vlog, I wanted to do it organically in my own time. I knew I was, going to look into it. I have purchased Tiffany before. I have purchased Bulgari before. And I think I've purchased CARTIER before, which is an independent, but Bulgari, those sort of labels. So I knew I would want to eventually look into Cartier, but I wanted to do it on my own merit when I was ready. And I knew I was going down to the exhibition, so I stopped in there on a late night shopping and picked this up, which I'm going to show you. But I wanted to channel Elizabeth Taylor today in this video because she was definitely one of their, long time customers, had a lot of items bought for her as gifts, which were divine. They were in the exhibition. It was unbelievable. I do hope you enjoyed that vlog. I tried my hardest to get you the best shots of the pieces. It was difficult. My cameras, it was just very hard. Obviously, it was dark lighting. And there was just hordes of people that I was like pushing through to try and get you anything. But when I say stay with me, it's because in that vlog, I need to put it straight. In that vlog, I wore my tiara on the outro, my wedding tiara. And I just wanted to pop on my crown. This is my actual wedding crown. It's a tiara, but my God, it's so big. And I cut it down and I put a slide on it myself because I got married in this. We like to call it the crown. So, before you ask, I just picked this faux fur jacket up off a independent boutique here in Sydney, and it's just fabulous. Okay, so 2 bags, but not 2 items. In this bag, in this small bag, they gave me, here it is, so the Cartier, which, everything is just so luxe. The service was beautiful. The boutique was closing. It was closing. So in here, you get the little care case for the item you purchase. So it's got cleaner. It's got the little travel pouch in it, which is really nice. Very handy. It's got the little Cartier logo there and beautiful and soft. And then you get a cleaner. You get a cleaner, a brush, a towelette, and a booklet on your care, how to care for your jewelry piece. So that was in its own little bag, which I thought was very nice. So that's there. And then the item is in this bigger bag. The attention to detail is just divine with Cartier. Everything is just divine. So we have my proof of purchase down inside. We have my authenticity booklet, like as a leather bound booklet, which I'm going to show you, but I will give it away. Here was the flyer for the exhibition. That's the flyer, but keep that in mind because I'm going to show you my little pickups from the exhibition in a second. She gave me, the sales associate was amazing. It was such a nice experience. Her name is Anna. She gave me the historical book in its own sleeve. It's the historical book of Cartier. So Cartier's stamp is always Paris, London, New York, which is their ateliers. And then it's got all of the information. It's just unbelievable. So I've just been I saw that. I saw that. It was in my vlog, if you saw. The Maharaja. So that book in itself was just such a beautiful thing to include. And woohoo! Here is my beautiful Cartier box. Actually, now I'm going to show you my posters. Hey, so if you watched the vlog, I showed you my posters in the vlog, and I have to show you them now. So this one is just the exhibition poster, the actual ad with the crocodile necklace, and I just wanted to get like a souvenir of the actual exhibition to frame behind me. So that's the poster of the ad. But this is a beautiful picture, and something about this picture makes me it just makes me feel, you know what it is? It's the romance. And I was explaining this to someone the other day. It's the romance of this, you know, as I said, dynasty. It's so beautiful. Each piece means something. People are purchasing them as gifts. So she's walking out here with this little box. Oh my God. So I'm so excited to be able to frame that and put it behind me. So I've just zoomed you right in so that you can get a nice shot of this with me while I'm unboxing it, because I want to do it together. But here is the beautiful Cartier ribbon, and then we have the lovely seals. So they heat up the wax machine and they seal it with the Cartier symbol. So let's open it together and show you guys. Ooh. Oh, so beautiful. The attention to detail. Oh, let's get the seal as best we can. So there we go. I didn't break the seal. That's good. Wow. And then they like accordion the paper there. Oh, how gorgeous. And I'm sure if you know Cartier, you know what this box is. So here is the actual packaging box, which inside has the famous jewelry box. So, and the exhibition had these everywhere. Like they were like on like the pedestals. They had like all of the filigree of what the jewelry box has. And then you press this button here. Oh, come on. Come on. It is so decadent. That is what it is. It's just decadent. The way that the Cartier do this is just, every single piece of it is just worth it. It's worth it. It's worth the heritage, the way. Oh, it's so beautiful, guys. This is my first ever Cartier purchase, and it is the classic original solid gold love ring. Isn't it just divine? Let me bring it on close there. So this is the original size. I did try on the wetter. I thought maybe I would want to go for the wetter size. It might, you know, it's more slight. Like if you have quite small hands, it's more slight, you know, it's not the thicker size that this band is. However, I just kind of wanted to stay very traditional for my first purchase from Cartier, and I looked at it in the rose gold, and I looked at it with the one diamond in it, but I just wanted to go completely classic, and I'm so glad I did. So that is what it looks like, guys, to give you a nice shot. Look at that. Oh my God, it's so beautiful. So let's go ahead and try it on. Now, each ring, when they show it to you, it has like a little swing tag on it. And on that swing tag, it says where it's made. And they have factories in Spain, Switzerland, and France. So this actual ring, and I made sure to look at where this one was made so I knew for myself, and this actual ring was made in Switzerland, which I'm so happy about because I adore Switzerland. Shout out to Switzerland. When I went there, I just adore it. Okay, so let's pop it on. I got it for my middle finger, so it looks pretty when I give people the bird. No, I'm just kidding. Oh my gosh. Oh wow. So there it is on my middle finger, on my right hand. And it is actually a size, I think it was size 55. Let me go ahead and check in the details. Showed you straight away, you would see this and know it was from the Love collection. Even though, look, when people start buying into Cartier, they start with the Love collection because I guess it's quite, you know, it's quite across the board. It's not too way out there. It's not tons and tons of diamonds, or it's not too, it's very, you know, it's very unisex, obviously. So it's not stepping too far out of comfort zone. But there is my little envelope for the Love collection. And here is a beautiful leather bound booklet that you get with all of the confirmation details. I'll just block them out. All the confirmation details is written in the certificate there. So it gives you all of your details. It is the size 55. Yes, it is the size 55 in the classic yellow gold in the Love ring, the classic size, not the wetter. And it's so pretty. Oh my God, it's so pretty. I'm addicted. I am hands down addicted. And you know, they said that. They said, look, you'll be back because it's just that, it's so intoxicating when you're in there. It's just so beautiful. Everything is so classic and just done so well. We'll tell you the price. Yellow gold Love ring, and it comes in for 2,320 Australian dollars here in Oz. Yes, that is my Love ring. Yes, I did buy it for myself. I would love, you know, I would love Will to buy me. He would never do that. He would never buy me. I could give him the money to get me a Love bracelet, just so he could close it. I think that's a gorgeous, like I love the you know, the story and the metaphor behind it. I think it's beautiful. However, I think I would get the thin Love bracelet just because I get so irritated with jewelry that would not be able to come off. So, and I've tried the cuff. The cuff is insane to get on. You have to basically like clamp it on yourself. So the thin, maybe the thin Love could be on the wish list, but my God, I have to save. But isn't it just gorgeous? I hope you guys like it. But isn't it just gorgeous? I hope you guys like it as much as I do. It is so shiny and pretty. I just, oh my God, I'm in love. I mean, as I keep saying, the attention to detail, like this box alone is just so beautiful. So beautiful. Oh my God. Is it, guys? That is the unboxing of my Cartier Love ring. I do hope you enjoyed this. If you did, please go ahead and give me a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel already and you wish to do so, guys, that would be so great. I will see you in my next video and maybe take you on another shop. I need to save. Thanks for watching, guys. Take care. Peace.